Hello Form 2 students, in this video we will solve year 2019 national exam paper subject bookkeeping. See students, in description I am also sharing link, from there you can take printout of this paper and solve paper with me. Do not just watch video but solve paper for more practice, and there will be more papers to come, so do practice of the same for good marks and for better understanding. So as you can see on the screen, this is United Republic of Tanzania National Examination Council of Tanzania Form 2 National Assessment Paper Bookkeeping. See, we will start with the paper, section A over here. So section A, question 1, multiple choice question. Let's see number 1. The document used to deposit money in the bank account is known as. So the document which we use to deposit money in the bank, yes, it is pay in slip. So answer is B, pay in slip. Second one, cash or goods taken out of business for private use. See the word, read statement carefully. For private use are called, so word when come private or personal use, it is drawing. The other options are given: loan to owner, cash to owner, or property by owner. So these are wrong options. The correct option, correct answer is drawing by answer, as it is given. So we all know that anything when proprietor or owner, he takes anything from the business, whether it is cash or goods, for personal or private use, it is considered as a drawing. So answer is C. Third one, which one should not be called sales? See again student, you should read statement carefully. Okay, if you miss this word not, then your answer will differ. So read transaction carefully. Which one should not be called as sales? So if you see the options given over here, the answer will be sale of office fixtures. See, wherever I think the explanation is necessary, I will try to give it. Otherwise, unnecessary length of the video will increase. Which one should not be called as sales? So sale of assets. See, if there is a sale of any asset, it is not considered as sale. But goods sold in cash, goods sold on credit, or sale of item purchase, that is resale, it is considered as sales. But sale of office fixture or any asset given, sale of machinery, sale of furniture, it is not considered as sale. Same applicable for purchases. Fourth one, which of the following is a liability to a business? Which one of the following is a liability to a business? So as you all know, liability means what? Debts payable by the firm enterprise in the future in the form of money or goods for the benefit received by the business unit. For example, bank overdraft, creditors. So liability means amount payable by the enterprise, by the business. So here it is given which one of the liability. So the answer is A, loan from SAFI. So the loan taken from SAFI becomes liability of the business, So answer is A. The other options are given, like here it is given loan to uncle. Now if the loan is given, then it will be asset. Loan interest is expenses or income if it is receivable. So the answer over here is, what is the liability? So loan which is taken from SAFI. So answer is loan from SAFI, that is A. The fifth one, which of the following is correct about capital? Is correct about capital. So answer is profit increases capital. As you all know, we add profit in capital. We add profit, net profit in the statement of financial position in capital. Here some other options are given. Profit reduces capital. No, we never deduct profit from capital. Loss increases capital. No, loss decreases capital, because we subtract, we deduct loss from capital. Profit does not change capital. This is also wrong option, because whenever there is profit we add it in capital, so profit increases capital. So answer is D. Sixth one, to which account is the total of the purchase return journal? Purchase return, that is return outward. Purchase return journal transferred to. So this is the question from Books of Prime Entry Form 1. To which account total of the purchase return journal is transferred to? So answer is very easy. Return outward, number 1. It should be transferred to return outward. Now there are two options given for return outward, whether it is to transfer to credit side or debit side. So return outward, see it is in the name itself, return outward. It is going on credit side. Return outward account, credit side. See, purchase return, the other name of purchase return is return outward. So this C and D option, that is return inward, they are totally wrong. Okay, so to which account it is to be transferred? Purchase return journal total to return outward account. Which side? Credit side. Next one, which one of the following is not an asset? Is not an asset to a business? Very easy question. Asset means the property of owned and possessed by the business having monetary value is called as asset. Asset might be fixed asset or current asset. So here it is given not an asset. So building, as you all know, building is fixed asset, or we can say non-current asset. Cash, debtors, they are also asset, current asset. So the answer is creditors. Creditors to whom amount is payable. Creditor is liability. So answer is C. Which of the following are personal accounts? See, personal account means name of the person, whether natural person or artificial person created by law. So which one of the following are personal accounts? So options are given. In the A it is given building. So building is asset, real account. So that is wrong. Wages is expenses. Here also wages given, expenses. So answer is C. Debtors and creditors. Debtors and creditors, the persons from whom amount is receivable or payable. So it comes under personal account. So answer is debtors and creditors. Ninth, in which account is the net profit of the business is determined, is calculated? So the answer is B. Profit and loss account. Now as per the new syllabus we prepare income statement. So it is determined in income statement. Which option? Here it is not given. Which of the following is a ledger account? Is a ledger account. So answer is, see, trading account, profit and loss account, there comes in the income statement. Sales journal, it is subsidiary book. So answer is cash account. Cash account is ledger account. So turning to next page, here matched pairs are given. Let's see the first one. List A and list B is given. We have to select answers from list B. Here down the space is given. The number of list A is given, and list B, from the list B we have to write the correct answer over here. So the first one, the maximum amount of money an accounting officer can send. So now this all question in the match the pairs are from the chapter Government Accounting and Budgeting, which is totally theory chapter. So students, read that chapter also carefully. Now it is given maximum amount of money an accounting officer can spend. So if you see on the list B, see in the list B the various options given. So you can see option number O, ambit of vote. Now what is meant by ambit of vote? It is the total amount approved by the Parliament to meet the public services as stated in the Appropriation Act. So it is the total amount which is approved by Parliament, which can be used to meet the public services. So as per the item given over here, the maximum amount which can be spent by accounting officer. So the answer is ambit of vote. So number 1 answer will be O. Second, the balance at any point in time remaining to the credit side of exchequer account. Credit side of exchequer account. So answer, if you can see over here, see the answer number M. Consolidated fund. Okay. So answer is M. See again, the balance at any point in time remaining to the credit side of the exchequer account. So answer is consolidated fund. See student, for this you have to study the various terminologies associated with government accounting. This is given in the chapter 3 from your syllabus, from form 2 bookkeeping. So you have to refer to various terminologies given in this chapter. Next one, the ministry which has been generally vested the task of accounting for all the government money, So answer will be over here. If you see, the answer is K, the treasury. The treasury is the ministry who is responsible for the collection, for the management, for the expenditure of all government revenue. So according to the Public Finance Act 2001, the treasury means the Minister of Finance and includes such officer or officers as may be deputed by the minister to exercise powers and to perform duties prescribed under the Public Finance Act. So what was our question? The ministry which has been generally vested this task of accounting for all the government money. So who is given this task? Treasury. So answer is K. Next one, any person who is appointed in writing to authorize the expenditures for specific item of expenditure, See again, any person who is appointed in writing, appointed in writing to authorize the expenditure for specific item of expenditure. So here the answer is authorized officer, So answer is L. Now fifth one, accounts for the basic services provided by the local authorities. Provided by whom? Provided by the local authorities through the use of the general revenue. So the answer, it is given in the question itself. If you read properly, through the use of general revenue. So answer is given over here, general fund. See, general fund, here also word given general revenue. So through the use of general revenue, that accounts are known as general fund. So the answer of fifth is C. Now the sixth one, a group of people who are related to each other and are entitled for government monetary benefits. Who are entitled for the government monetary benefits? So the answer here you can check. Answer is D, family. Okay, see, family refers to an officer or his spouse, means wife, together with their children for all fringe benefits purpose. See, fringe benefit means what? It refers to the benefits in addition to their salary, that employee's salary, such as they receive medical insurance from government, subsidized meals in the canteen, or they get paid holidays. Okay, so answer, what is the sixth question? A group of people who are related to each other and entitled to government monetary benefits. So who are entitled to the government monetary benefit? Answer is family. So you can write here D. Next one, 7. A financial year of the government which starts on 1st July and ends 30th June. 30th June. So this financial year, it is very easy. Financial year is known as government accounting year. So answer of 7th is H. Next one, day-to-day expenses for executing operations of a government. For executing operation of the government. So day-to-day expenses given. So the day-to-day expenses are known as recurrent expenditure. The expenditure which are recurring again and again.